sport played by two teams of 6 players, each separated by a net. Each team attempts to score points by throwing the ball into the other team's court. According to established rules, 1. Volleyball has been part of the official Summer Olympic program since Tokyo 1964. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan, a YMCA physical education director in Holyoke, Massachusetts, USA. Initially, it was called Mintonet. The game was designed as a less strenuous alternative to basketball for older YMCA members. It incorporated elements from tennis, basketball, baseball, and handball. In search of a fan-appropriate game, tennis occurred to me. With this, we create rackets, ball, a net, and other equipment, so it was eliminated, but the idea of a net seemed a good one, Morgan explained. We reset the net to a height of just above the head of an average man. We need ball, and among those we tried was a basketball bladder, but this was too light and too slow. We therefore tried the basketball itself, which was too big and too heavy. Though it was incomplete with no fixed rules and a format to follow, the sport did enough to win over the delegation and soon become a part of YMCA's wide network throughout the USA with a new name, volleyball. Volleyball was officially selected to spell as a single word 1952. A sport that traced its origin to basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball, and now estimated to be played by over 800 globally, had thus been established. The rules of volleyball include aspects of the court, equipment, number of players, the course of the match, and violations. Each team has 3 chances to touch the ball, and a player may not touch the ball twice in a row. Main rules: number of players. Each team consists of 6 players on the court and several substitute players. Ball touch. Each team may only touch the ball 3 times before returning it to the opponent's side. Single player. A player may not touch the ball twice in a row. Player position. Player must be in their own area and may not enter the opponent's area. Player area. Players may only be in their own area and may not enter the opponent's area. Service. The service is done from outside the court line and the ball must pass over the net successfully. Dead ball. The ball is considered dead when it touches the floor or goes out of the court line. Points. A team gets a point if the ball goes into the opponent area or the opponent makes a mistake. Point system. A set is won by the team that reaches 25 points first or 50 points if the match reaches the final set. Set system. The game consists of 5 sets, with the final being played to 50 points. Blocking. Only the front players are allowed to block. Libero. The libero may not serve, change position, or hit the ball. Basic volleyball technique includes service, passing, smashing, and blocking. Serving to start the game, passing to pass the ball, smash to attack with power, and blocking to block the opponent's attack. That's an explanation of the history of volleyball's rules and techniques. Thank you guys.